2004 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, four-wheel drive, interval wipers, front stabilizer bar, camera package, map lights, black vinyl full floor covering, trailer tow package, driver and passenger grab handles, cup holders, front passenger side roof ride handle, rear seating roof ride handles, black door handles, four-piece floor mat set. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.